mga lods, magpapalito tayo ng kuan. Brake pad. Sobrang nipis na, papalitan natin. Kaya na, natanggalan natin mga lods. Hawakan mo eh. Wala na, oh. Pino na mga lod dito na. Saan ka ba wala na, hunting na, bakal lods. Sobrang nipis na, oh. Ibig sabihin to, sobrang bawi na. Servisan natin to. Oh. Terus bawiin na to, siya dapat 0-0 ba? So yan, nabaklas, linisin natin to, sabunan. Ito, ano mo dito? Patayin mo. Inisa na may higit.
Uy. Tempa. Kami ini. Oh. Kuan ang nawag.
Nah, yun yung pangiranan mo.
Ada.
Ang paglinis ng may kailangan din ibaon to yung piston. Ito yun ba? Yung lingkod, orang yung mga lain dito tuwad.
T-Rexes are so cool. Their jaws are so strong. They're actually the most strongest jawed dinosaur that we know of. Wow. And actually, what we think now, the juveniles, the teenagers of T-Rexes, actually might have some feathers. Wow. T-Rexes are so cool. Alright, now let's go pick a dinosaur and color it in. Dinosaurs? Wow, they're all so big and it's cool to learn about what they eat. Whoa, and their teeth. Wow. Alright, let's decide which dinosaur we should color. Alright, let's see. Triceratops. One of these two. Huh. Let's see. How about... I'm supposed to pick my favorite dinosaur out of these five. The T-Rex is pretty cool, but I don't know if I can pick my favorite. Ooh, here you go, Stegosaurus. Ooh, nice green plate.
Panalo.
How about red? Oh, go. Whoa, this is gonna be a very colorful Stegosaurus. Yeah, I used orange, one of my two favorite colors. Oh, we'll use my second color favorite.
Ano mga lods? Yan,
Here we go.
Wow.
full stop.
Colorful. And the first Stegosaurus is pink. Because they're herbivores. Pink.
Full stop mga lods.
There we go. Oh, hey, I have an idea. Why don't we take green and draw a plant right here? Yeah, like it's eating. There you go. Kind of hard to see. Wow.
Pen reliever.
What a great Stegosaurus. Very colorful. They didn't look like this back then, but it still looks really cool. Hi, Flippy. Good job. Alright, well,
Lagyan natin ng ano to dito.
right here. So then the next person that comes here, they
Palibot, lagyan natin ng grasa.
dinosaurs. Yeah. Alright, see you later. Bye.
Hindi, ano yung kalawang ba? Piston. Dito tutulak yung piston eh. Yung kalawang ba? Yun o. Yun o. Yan yung mga loads o. Sumubra.
So new and big.
This is a Type 1 fire truck. One of the most common fire
Ah, yun o.
Wow, I wonder where they use this at.
Oh, they use it in cities and towns to put out fires and also use it in medical emergencies.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
Speaking of cool, Mika, check it out.
Another one.
Yeah, this one is a lot smaller. This is a Type 6 fire truck.
Oh, and look how big that wheel is.
Yeah, exactly. This fire truck is used out in the
Madulas ba?
Every fire happens in the city. Yeah. Ooh, look at this, Mika.
Oh, there's a lot of space there. It's really high up.
Yeah, if they have to go over a log or a tall rock, so then it doesn't hit the body. Oh, cool.
Kapitan natin.
This machine.
This is a laser that focuses down
Yun o.
through here, and we use it to cut through the metal.
Whoa, that's awesome. So it makes parts of a fire truck?
Dadi, ikaw kita kaya nagpasuwaw man ka.
So the side of the fire truck,
Nagpasuwaw ka, di kaya kita.
this machine cuts them out.
Oh, that's really cool. What are you working on right now?
With New Year, so we decided to drop a Mika and a Blippi logo, so we're going to be cutting that out on the laser today.
Tayo lods, na simbolo natin. Bago, pula oh, palkapal oh. Full stop lang. Okay na to mga lods.